YouTube, welcome to the shop. It's HackerBox 0047 old school. So the kind of neat little thing is they've got an old cassette on here, so I'm real curious as to what could possibly be in this one. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting behind on the HackerBoxes again. I haven't done anything for the last two of them. I haven't had a chance, but hopefully I can get caught up again. But let's see what's in here. Old cassette tape. Alright, memory card, huh? High performance choice for digital image capture and storage. And it's even branded. HackerBox. A little USB memory stick. Got a little bag of components. I see some wire cutters too. That's awesome. Oh, that's cool. Got an this is the second box I've gotten, a little tiny micro SD reader. It's actually kind of cool. Put the SD card in that little slot, and it's, you know, that's actually pretty awesome. That's a nice little one right there. What is that, RS 232? I think that's what that is. That's interesting. And PS2, a little speaker, some resistors, and a bunch of header pins. I wonder what that is going to go to. That's interesting. Red header pins. So we got a pair of Plateau wire cutters, model 170. That's cool. Max diameter 1mm or 40 thousandths. Copper only. That's actually pretty cool though. Let's see, what is this? Little SD card module, I think. Yep, that's what that is. Little SD breakout board. Got dye on my hands. Oh wow, look at all those LEDs. Got a nice assortment of LEDs. Nice. Five and 3mm blue, yellow, green, red, and I would imagine white. Maybe, possibly, most likely. Well, that's pretty freaking sweet. And what else we got here? A nano. Can't have too many nanos. Yep. Nice version 3. Quality control passed. Yeah. Awesome. Alrighty then. Look at this. We've got 2 nanos. Wonder what's gonna go on there. We need 2 of them for. Oh shit, check this out. That's actually pretty cool. I actually have one of these by Southward. So this is actually a copy of Southward's little pocket pick set. That's what this is. Little pocket pick set. Unscrew that. Take out the wrench is always a pain to get out of this design. I need a pair of pliers, damn it. But there you go. There's the tension wrench. It's just like a little pocket knife. You gotta unscrew that though. Mine's not turning. There it is. But a little assortment of picks. There's still one in there. Nice. Got a bent ball, little worm or snake rake, medium-sized diamond. These are awfully thin. Nice rake, half ball, and a feeler pick. These are very, very thin. I don't know, but that's cool. Like I said, I've already got one of these, a little bit nicer than this, but this is really still pretty neat. You will have to condition the picks. I actually made a video, I don't know, last year about how to do that, so you can do the same method with these picks and use that video to condition, because they don't, if you don't get them polished. Okay, so I wasn't paying attention and the battery and the camera died, and I went on and jibber jabbered without realizing the battery had died. So I just want to, in fact, I took this home and I started editing the video and I realized that it had shut off on me. Anyways, what I was saying, I may have already said this, but what I was saying about the pick, if you don't polish them and sand them right, and you got to get a pretty good high polish, but I'll put a link in the description to the video that I did on polishing. But what happens is the picks kind of stick to the tumblers, the pens, and it, you know, as far as raking, you can't get it to rake and stuff. And even on the feeler pick, it makes a huge difference in your lock picking experience if you polish them up right. One thing though I did do, there was the Ubuntu sticker in there, and like I said, since I didn't realize the camera stopped, I already put that on my toolbox, so you know, you kind of saw it, you know, a little bit in the box. But the only other thing that was in the box is the jumpers, and then the little printed circuit board that says old school VGA PC, maybe focus. That's awful. There it goes. But anyways, yeah, so you got main MCU, video MCU, so, and interesting. So I can't wait to make that and see how that turns out. But yeah, so that was it, other than the sticker. Like I said, I already put that on my toolbox. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about that.